Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Bright Horizon Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the top search bar, type in Bright Horizons Workday. And then click enter. After that, scroll down and then find this link where it says brighthorizons.wd5.myworkdayjobs.com and click on it. After that, a new page will appear. In this page, click on sign in option, which is at top right corner, and now type in your email address and password. Now click on sign in button to log into your Bright Horizons Workday account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.